In today's video, I'm going to show you Veho Driver App Review 2025. Is driving for Veho worth it this year? The Veho Driver app has become a growing option for gig workers in 2025, offering drivers the chance to earn money through package delivery. Unlike food delivery services, where orders come in on demand, Veho assigns routes or blocks of deliveries that drivers can schedule in advance. This makes it more predictable than apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash, since you generally know your workload and hours ahead of time. Many drivers also like the weekly pay system and the ability to choose when and how much they want to work, giving them more control over their schedules. However, there are clear frustrations with the Veho experience. Drivers frequently report that routes take longer than expected, and extra stops or packages are sometimes added without fair adjustments to pay. The app itself also receives criticism for bugs, slow performance, and crashes, which can be stressful when trying to complete deliveries efficiently. Some drivers have also experienced account suspensions or restrictions with little explanation, which raises concerns about fairness and transparency. Pay is another point of debate. While Veho does offer competitive rates on the surface, once fuel costs, vehicle wear, parking, and the time spent waiting at warehouses are factored in, the actual earnings can be lower than expected. For drivers with SUVs or vans, it may make more financial sense since they can handle larger routes, but those with smaller vehicles might struggle to make consistent profit. In terms of legitimacy, Veho is a real company with a strong presence in the US and many active drivers. The app is widely available and it does pay out to drivers, so it is not a scam. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.